Alright, so in this part we're going to add some materials on the object. Now since we have this and this as two different entities, I'm going to right click and sorry about that, let me minimize this. Okay, so I'm going to right click and convert to an editable poly. Okay, and click on attach and attach everything here. Okay, that's one. Secondly, I'm going to come into CorelDRAW to design this. So how did I come about this design? Okay, we created a rectangle and another rectangle. So we'll come to selection mode, click on the rectangle again, so you see this on top, so you can move it here. I'll make this black, then this I'll make yellow. So this I'll go right click and say power clip inside this, you put it here. So I'm going to control click, or I click on edit power clip. It takes me inward and I say edit duplicate. So by the time I move it to the next point, it's here. So I can come to edit duplicate or use Ctrl D. So alright, so this is what we have. Now I'm going to take the outline and say none, so that it takes away all the outline, and then go to file, export, and let's say I want to replace that. Yes, so file, export, change this from CMYK to RGB. So it's taking the both of them, which I don't want. So cancel and say file, export. Now export selected only. Export, change this to RGB and click on OK. So when you do that, it takes it into a folder and it builds this for you. So you can either drag and drop and it will build it for you, or come in here, you create a new material, diffuse, bitmap, drag and drop. Nothing may show, but just hit this to show. Another thing you could do is to create the metal part. So I'm going to create the metal part and maybe make it more looser. So give it to the background and give it to the base. So at the end of the day, we've been able to create this. Very simple, very straightforward. Thank you for watching. God bless you.